Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jump start a GMC Acadia. First, ensure you have a set of jumper cables and a vehicle with a working battery. Park the working vehicle close to your Acadia, making sure they do not touch. Turn off all lights, radio, and other accessories in both vehicles. For safety, always wear protective eyewear and gloves. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Find the positive terminal on your Acadia's dead battery. It's usually marked with a plus sign and covered by a red cap. Securely attach one red jumper cable clamp to this positive terminal. Next, take the other end of the red cable and connect its clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Next, we'll connect the negative cables. Take one black jumper cable clamp and attach it to the negative terminal of the working vehicle's battery. This terminal is typically marked with a minus sign. For the final connection, attach the other black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Acadia's engine block or frame, away from the battery itself. This creates a safe ground. With all cables connected, start the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge. After 5 minutes, try starting your GMC Acadia. Once it starts, disconnect the cables in the exact reverse order. First the black clamp from the ground, then the black from the good battery, followed by the red from the good battery, and finally the red from the Acadia's battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.